Nothing built can last forever, and every legend, no matter how great, fades with time. With each passing year, more and more details are lost, until all that remains are myths, half-truths. To put it simply, lies. And yet, in all the known universe, between here and the far lands, the legend of the Order of the Stone endures, unabridged as self-evident fact. Indeed, it is only a troubled land that has need for heroes, and ours was fortunate to have, so long ago, 4 heroes such as these. Gabriel the warrior, before whose sword all combatants would tremble. Eligard the redstone engineer, whose machines would spark an era of invention. Magnus the rogue, who would channel his destructive creativity for the benefit of all. And Soren the architect, builder of worlds, and leader of the Order of the Stone. These 4 friends together would give so much to gain their rightful place as 4 heroes. Their greatest quest would take them on a dangerous journey to fight a mysterious creature known as the Ender Dragon. In the end, the Order of the Stone emerged victorious, and the dragon was defeated. Their story complete, they slipped away into the pages of legend.
Yeah, I just wanted to say that there was no malicious intent in making this video. I just wanted to make a tutorial for a game that the original developer studio was no longer selling due to having sold off the selling rights to the game. But also, if I did try to buy the game from any other third-party site that was just happened to be selling the either the disc or the game key, just about any platform that could have the game be played on, it would cost a fortune. That, or it would be just a scam, because that apparently is a problem on the internet. Yeah. Alright, so what you're gonna need to do is you're gonna need to click on the link in the description that'll lead you to an Internet Archive page with the actual game file or ISO on it. And to download it, you're going to scroll down, click on Show All, and then you're going to click on Minecraft_full_season.iso, the one that is 5.6 gigabytes, and you're just going to click on it and it'll download right there. But seeing as I already have it downloaded, it will take you, if you have decent internet, it'll take you like a good 10 minutes. If not, probably like 20 minutes. Now, when you have the file downloaded, you're going to go to the file, you're going to double click on it, it might take a while to open, but there you go. It'll do that. I don't know why. You can delete those afterwards, but here is the actual game itself. So you double click this, you run anyways, and then there you have it. I accept the agreement. Next, next, next. Create desktop icon, and you install it. with that, you just downloaded the full Season 1 of Minecraft Story Mode. Yeah, I don't know what it just did. My graphics card is weird. Now take note that you can sign up for a Telltale account, but it's just not going to work for Minecraft Story Mode since they've stopped running the servers for the analytics. So the only thing you could actually do is just play the episodes. So yeah. Also, if you want to change the, I think it was the resolution, yeah. You just do that. And you apply it. And if you want full screen, I think that's... Nope, that's in graphics again. Yep. And you apply that, and there you go.